ready to ditch the printer and speed up your agreements with secure, legally compliant electronic signatures. Let's dive into using Dochub to sign your documents with ease. First things first, you'll need to upload the document you want to sign. Click on the prominent Upload Document button on the Dochub homepage. Simply select the file from your computer and let Dochub process it. It's that simple to get started. Once your document is uploaded, you'll be taken to the editing interface. Look for the Sign or Signature tool, usually found in the toolbar at the top or side of your screen. Click on it to activate. Now you have options. You can either draw your signature directly onto the screen using your mouse or trackpad, or you can type your name and let Dochub generate a stylized signature for you. Choose the method that best suits your preference. Once your signature is ready, simply click and drag it to the designated signature line on your document. You can resize it as needed for a perfect fit. After positioning your signature, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Done or Save button. Your signed document is now ready to be downloaded or shared directly from Dochub. And there you have it. Your document is now legally secured with your electronic signature, ready for whatever comes next. Using Dochub is the efficient and secure way to finalize agreements.